Hello and thank you for visiting Reliable Smart Service. Let me explain the RAID Data Recovery Guideline, Do's and Don't Post-Failure of RAID Server. Please share and like this video. Guideline to follow when RAID, or server or NAS box or SAN failed or crash. Do write down all failure and events that led up to failure, while it is still fresh in your mind. Attempted to repair, rebuild a failed array. Log each attempt's action and consequence for future reference. Label or tag the drive's position in the RAID array and then make note of which physical drives are bad by marking it specifically. Drives will be numbered starting with 0. Example: if you have a 5-drive array, they will be numbered 0 to 4. Drive is making unusual mechanical noises, shut it down immediately. Do not try reboot as this may cause damage to the array. Do not run volume repair or defragment utilities on suspected bad drives. Do not swap or rearranging the order of the drives in a multiple drive RAID array as this may cause overwriting. Do not replace the failed drive with a drive that was part of a previous RAID system. Do not attempt any future repair. If you are unsure that your RAID server is functioning properly after a failure event. Try data recovery utilities and software are not designed to restore data or rebuild RAID arrays from failing hard drives. Do not use drives that were a part of the failed system. Unexpected failure may cause data inaccessibility or even data loss. Often this occurs between data backups or on data that has no backup at all. Utilizing proprietary data recovery technology, our data recovery specialists will recover the data you need in a timely, secure and cost-effective manner. We have established a level of expertise in RAID, SAN, and NAS recovery that is unparalleled by even the manufacturers of the systems that we recover data from. How we can help, listen carefully. Our combination of custom software and extensive experience help to get your data from complex RAID drive. Generally, we do not need your hardware or your controller to perform data recovery on your RAID, SAN or NAS storage system. We only need the hard drives. Visit for more information https://www.98333488884.com/raid. It has all the detailed information, slides, and documentation. Thank a lot and have fantastic time.